30 essential questions to supercharge your savings. Live Q&A. Question 1. What's the first step in creating a successful budget? Tracking your expenses, setting financial goals, cutting unnecessary spending, saving automatically, closing your eyes and hoping your money magically manages itself. Answer 1. Tracking your expenses. Explanation. Before you can create an effective budget, you need to know where your money is going. Tracking your expenses gives you a clear picture of your spending habits. Question 2. Which of these is the most effective way to reduce grocery costs? Buying name brand products, shopping without a list, using coupons and discounts, shopping when hungry, challenging your groceries to a game of hide and seek and only buying what you can find. Answer 3. Using coupons and discounts. Explanation. Using coupons and taking advantage of discounts can significantly lower your grocery bill. Combine this with shopping with a list to maximize savings. Question 3. How much of your income is recommended to save each month? 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%. Burying all your money in the backyard and hoping a money tree grows. Answer 3. 20%. Explanation. Financial experts typically recommend saving at least 20% of your income each month. This can be divided between retirement, emergency funds, and other goals. Question 4. Which strategy is most effective for paying off multiple debts? Paying the smallest debt first. Paying the highest interest debt first. Paying all debts equally. Ignoring the debts. Sending each debt a nice thank you card and hoping they go away. Answer 4. Paying the highest interest debt first. Explanation. The avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, saves you the most money over time. Question 5. What is an emergency fund primarily used for? Impulse purchases, regular monthly bills, unforeseen expenses, vacation plans, funding your dream of building a yacht made entirely of gold. Answer 5. Unforeseen expenses. Explanation. An emergency fund is your financial safety net for unforeseen expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Question 6. Which of these is a common mistake when trying to save money? Setting unrealistic goals. Automating savings. Reviewing your budget regularly. Living within your means. Building a fort out of your unachievable goals and living in it. Answer 6. Setting unrealistic goals. Explanation. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration. It's important to set achievable incremental goals. Question 7. What's the best way to avoid impulse purchases? Shopping with a list. Carrying cash instead of cards. Avoiding online shopping. All of the above. Hiring a personal anti-shopping bodyguard to tackle you before every impulse purchase. Answer 7. All of the above apart from the last one. Explanation. All these strategies can help you avoid impulse purchases. Shopping with a list, using cash, and being mindful of online shopping habits are effective ways to stay within your budget. Question 8. How often should you review your budget? Once a year, quarterly, monthly, whenever you remember. Asking your pet to review your budget whenever they're not too busy napping. Answer 8. Monthly. Explanation. Reviewing your budget monthly helps you stay on top of your finances and adjust for any changes. Question 9. Which investment type is typically considered the safest? Stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, penny stocks, investing in your friend's can't-fail pyramid scheme for space llama farms. Answer 9. Bonds. Explanation. Bonds are generally considered a safer investment compared to stocks and cryptocurrencies, providing regular interest payments. Question 10. What's the best way to start building credit? Applying for multiple credit cards, making small purchases and paying them off in full, maxing out your credit cards, taking out a large loan, convincing yourself that your credit card bill is a work of fiction and ignoring it. Answer 10. Making small purchases and paying them off in full. Explanation. Using a credit card responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month is an effective way to build credit. Question 11. Which of the following is a good strategy for reducing energy costs at home? Leaving lights on. Using energy-efficient appliances. Keeping appliances plugged in. Ignoring drafts. Powering your house with good vibes and positive energy. Answer 11. Using energy-efficient appliances. Explanation. Energy-efficient appliances use less electricity, helping you save money on your utility bills. Question 12. How can you save money when dining out? Order the most expensive item. Skip appetizers and desserts. Always tip the maximum amount. Eat out every night, sneaking into the kitchen and asking the chef for just one tiny bite of everything. Answer slide 12. Skip appetizers and desserts. Explanation. Skipping appetizers and desserts can reduce your dining bill significantly. You can also look for specials or split dishes to save more. Question 13. Which of these can help you save on transportation costs? Driving a gas-guzzling car, taking public transportation, ignoring car maintenance, driving everywhere, trading your car in for a horse, and living out your Wild West fantasies. Answer: 13. Taking public transportation. Explanation. Using public transportation can be cheaper than driving, especially when factoring in gas, maintenance, and parking fees. Question 14. What's a good rule of thumb for saving money on clothing? Buying new clothes every week, shopping during sales and clearance, buying designer brands only, never comparing prices, challenging yourself to wear the same outfit every day until it disintegrates. Answer: 14. Shopping during sales and clearance. Explanation. Waiting for sales and shopping clearance racks can help you save significantly on clothing purchases. Question 15. Which of these is an effective way to save money on groceries? Shopping without a list. Buying in bulk for non-perishables. Shopping when hungry. Buying only brand name items. Shopping with a blindfold and buying the first thing you accidentally bump into. Answer: 15. Buying in bulk for non-perishables. Explanation. Buying non-perishable items in bulk can reduce the cost per unit and save you money over time. Question 16. Which is a benefit of automating your savings? You forget to save. You spend more. You save consistently. It complicates your finances, keeping your money in a jar labeled "not for spending" seriously. Answer: 16. You save consistently. Explanation. Automating your savings ensures that you consistently set aside money each month, making it easier to reach your financial goals. Question 17. Which of these is a key factor in staying motivated to save money? Setting vague goals, rewarding yourself for milestones, ignoring your progress, spending impulsively, rewarding yourself with a pet llama every time you save $1. Answer: 17. Rewarding yourself for milestones. Explanation. Rewarding yourself when you reach savings milestones can keep you motivated and make the process more enjoyable. Question 18. What's the best way to handle unexpected expenses? Using your emergency fund. Charging it to a high-interest credit card. Taking out a payday loan. Ignoring the expense. Hoping that pretending the expense doesn't exist will make it disappear. Manages itself. Answer: 18. Using your emergency fund. Explanation. Your emergency fund is there to cover unexpected expenses without putting you into debt. Question 19. Which of these is a good habit for managing your money? Avoiding financial planning. Tracking your spending. Ignoring your bills. Spending more than you earn. Tracking your spending by seeing how many pennies you can stuff into a sock. Answer: 19. Tracking your spending. Explanation. Tracking your spending helps you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. Question 20. What's a practical way to reduce housing costs? Renting the most expensive apartment. Downscaling to a smaller place. Ignoring utilities. Moving frequently. Moving into a luxurious cardboard box with the finest view of the alley. Answer: 20. Downscaling to a smaller place. Explanation. Downscaling to a smaller home can lower your rent or mortgage, utilities, and maintenance costs. Question 21. What is the 50-30-20 rule in budgeting? A new diet plan, a savings account type, a budgeting strategy, a loan repayment method, following the 90/10 rule, where you spend 90% of your time thinking about how to break the 50-30-20 rule. Answer: 21. A budgeting strategy. Explanation. The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Question 22. Which of these should be your financial priority? Paying off high-interest debt, buying luxury items, Frequent dining out, traveling internationally, buying yachts until you finally own the ocean. Answer: 22. Paying off high-interest debt. Explanation: paying off high-interest debt should be a priority because it can quickly accumulate and become unmanageable. Question 23. How can you increase your savings without earning more? Increasing your expenses, cutting non-essential spending, taking out loans, avoiding savings altogether. Joining a reality show where you learn to survive on nothing but expired coupons. Answer: 23. Cutting non-essential spending. Explanation: reducing non-essential spending allows you to redirect that money into savings, helping you grow your savings without needing additional income. Question 24. Which of these is a wise strategy for long-term financial stability? Living paycheck to paycheck, investing in diverse assets, relying solely on credit cards, avoiding all financial planning, putting all your money into a mattress and starting a luxurious nap business. Answer: 24. Investing in diverse assets. Explanation: diversifying your investments across different assets helps spread risk and can contribute to long-term financial stability. Question 25. What is the benefit of having multiple streams of income? It's confusing. Financial security, increased spending, more tax complications, creating a YouTube channel where you live. Stream yourself counting all your income streams. Answer: 25. Financial security. Explanation: having multiple streams of income increases financial security by reducing reliance on a single source of income. Question 26. Which of these can help you save money on entertainment? Attending every event, renting movies instead of buying expensive tickets, subscribing to all streaming services, hosting a movie marathon where everyone has to pay to watch your home movies. Answer: 26. Renting movies instead of buying. Explanation: renting or streaming movies instead of buying can save you money, and you still get to enjoy your favorite films. Question 27. What's the best way to stay motivated towards your savings goals? Keeping your goals vague, visualizing your progress, ignoring your goals, constantly changing your goals, keeping a jar of motivational jelly beans that you can eat one by one as you save. Answer: 27. Visualizing your progress. Explanation: visualizing your progress, such as using a chart or app, can keep you motivated by showing how close you are to achieving your goals. Question 28. Which of these is a good reason to refinance your mortgage? To increase your interest rate, to reduce your monthly payments, to extend the loan term unnecessarily, to take on more debt. Refinancing your mortgage to buy an island and declaring yourself ruler of savings land. Answer: 28. To reduce your monthly payments. Explanation: refinancing to secure a lower interest rate or reduce monthly payments can save you money over the life of the loan. Question 29. What's a good way to reduce your insurance costs? Skipping coverage, shopping around for quotes, choosing the highest premiums, ignoring discounts, calling up the insurance company and challenging them to a rock-paper-scissors duel for lower rates. Answer: 29. Shopping around for quotes. Explanation: comparing insurance quotes and looking for discounts can help you find the best coverage at the lowest price. Question 30. What should you do if you receive an unexpected financial windfall? Spend it all immediately. Save or invest it. Ignore it. Lend it to everyone who asks. Throwing a big "I'm rich" party and inviting everyone you know to come and spend it for you. Answer: 30. Save or invest it. Explanation: saving or investing an unexpected windfall can help you secure your financial future and grow your wealth.